कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan pinlong ni ka Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haga kan real tre ubnai March haga Porsche Powje ha Shillong Tura but clear yet. Ka Kashari District and Session Judge East Khasi Hills District kala Aibor Sngi yaki Pulit bikin Tohkit yauba Tarson limba but uba Ebakordor nongpulu glisha kem hakabaya day baka jimpin bithe yaubam IED haka jaka yang bas hathem yomolong haka mi skiset jan ka khandai tre ulber ar jar phusau. Superintendent of Police Jungi East Khasi Hills District Urituraj Ravi haka jing kran makabati CCTV ulang baka jingkem yauba Tarson limba nadauki bari uba Ebakordor nongpulu namalki kadai halor ka jing yo sabut ka baklan ka bapintikna bakini ki arngut ki dei ki bedon kiti hakani ga jing pin bom hathem yo molong shushu ulang bakino kino ki break bedon kiti banya sala hakani ka kam runar ki pulikin hab ban kem bat bantian bishara ki kat kom ki kendon jongkaan.
Number one, that is the investigation of this particular case that happened. So there are teams we have formed which are looking at it from different angles, different aspects, and we are conducting the investigation in a thorough and professional manner. That is one aspect. Second is that we have enhanced the security in and around all vital locations, vital installations, and all sensitive places, all places where where there is any kind of threat, any kind from any quarter. We have enhanced patrolling, we have enhanced security measures all throughout the city have been beefed up. That is the second part, ma'am. Third, ma'am, that for a longer term measures, ma'am, we are verifying anybody who can have any such links and capabilities to be involved with such nefarious designs. We are working on that too. In pursuance to the events that happened on the night of 9th at around 10:30 p.m. at Syndicate bus stand, Punjabi Lane, where an IED blast occurred, and soon after that incident, our team swung into action. We started the investigation process. We got some very strong leads. On the basis of that, last night we arrested two people, one from Tohkit and one from Shillong Malki area, and both people have been produced today in the court, and the Honorable Court has granted 10 days of police custody. Any individual that we have arrested on the basis of the evidences and the clues that we have with respect to the incident that happened on the night of 9th. Anybody's involvement with any groups or any NGOs is not a matter of investigation or concern or relevance to us. So I will not comment on anybody's involvement with any group or any NGOs. On that point, I will not be commenting right now. If it so emerges, I will update on that. As I have stated earlier also in my press release, is that in earlier times, whenever there were blasts, be it here or in other districts of the Eastern Range, the agency came forward and claimed responsibility for that. But this time around, they have not claimed responsibility for this. However, if we look at the modus operandi and the methodologies that have been employed in carrying out this blast, they bear very, very close resemblance. And on the basis of that, we are investigating it from all perspectives. First, it will not be proper for me to comment on what said on what and earlier times, but I can only speak for myself and for East Khasi Hills Police at this moment. And we are here with a firm resolve that anybody who threatens the peace and the security of general public of the state, we will not allow that, and we are maintaining highest vigil on that front. Investigation is still under progress, and we are working on it with a firm resolve that we need to arrest, and we will arrest everybody who is involved in this larger conspiracy, in this act, in this abatement, anybody who has participated in this crime in any whatsoever way. Everybody needs to be brought to justice, brought to book, and we will leave no stone unturned in that.